Hi, how are you all doing? It's Saturday. Happy Saturday. Happy Sabbath to those who are 7-day Adventists. I hope you're at church. And for those who are not Adventists, normally Saturdays are very busy days for us, especially us mothers. We have a lot of ups and downs to do. Sometimes a lot of chores at home for those who do not have any assistants or helpers. Yeah. So sometimes the weekend is like another birthday, even though we work 5 days per week. Some of us, or some parents even work 7 days a week, depending on the occupation. But whether or not it's paid job, we're always working through our pause in the comment section. So I'm here on my way to get some lunch for my daughter. Yeah. So I'm here in traffic on the road. Burger King. Asked her what she wanted. She said she don't know, but I know that she not going to say she don't want this. So I'm going to get her one of her faves. I know that she's going to enjoy it. But I say some people never see, look here now, some stupidness can go on the road, Person stop in the middle of the road talking. No regards to the persons behind. Wait, I hope I don't pass the location. Lord have mercy. Pass it, yes. Safe for the man stopping on the road. Could have gone to that one. Alright, almost there again. People all over on the road going about their business. And I was seeing this elderly lady. May God protect her. She needs somebody to help her, really. Not every old people have persons to help them, Some of them don't have nobody at all. Some of them have children. Some of the children are overseas. And then yet again, some of these elderly persons, they are very stubborn. They want to do things their own way. Sometimes they don't want nobody to help them. They just want to feel independent. But they have to realize that they're getting older and they need help. Alright, taxi man. Thank you. you're blowing and you say you're going into the drive-thru, Mr. Sir. It's not me you're blowing. Go on up here. Could never be me. Because the lines, you see that is a drive-thru here, so I don't know why you're blowing. You're going the next lane and going home. We can't do any better. I mean, they're emptying, but guess what? There's no parking. These fast food places need parking. Well, the line going fast. As the person's going about, this person in front of me look like they have some gadgets in them because they're not paying attention. Not paying no attention, I tell ya. Well, the line is going fast. Let me see how many persons in front of me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it's moving quickly. Very quickly, people. I'm not buying any fast food for myself, so I want to buy it for her. So I want to hope these children appreciate sacrifices that parents have to make for them. You know, let me pay attention because the other day I came around here and I almost passed the section where I was to give the order, you know, because I don't normally come into the drive-thru. Yeah, where they say. So I passed it, everything had to reverse to come back to the speaker to give my order. So I get my order. Oh, almost there. Waiting on the person to go up in the line. Same gentleman.
Hi, my name is welcome to Burger King. Your question is my go ahead and place your order.
Hi, good morning. Can I have
Repeat.
just a moment? I'm looking for the combo.
Hello?
Yes, can I have?
I'm not hearing you.
You're selling burgers now?
Yes, we are.
Can I have? What is their number one? I'm not seeing it on the board here.
Number 1, popcorn cheese, right?
Yeah.
Flavor drink.
Sprite.
So that's all for with cheese and Sprite, so that is our complete order.
And an extra fries. I want that in an additional
Want the
bag.
extra fries also?
Yes, and the nuggets.
And the nuggets only?
No, what you have? You say you get the nuggets for $300?
$4.699.
4. How much for that?
$300.
Right. So,
It doesn't come as a combo, you know, it does a 4-piece nuggets only.
oh. All right. So give me the number one. And what kind of pie you have?
Hershey pie.
That's only the chocolate one. Is only the chocolate
Repeat.
one? Is only the chocolate pie you have?
I'm not hearing you.
Is only the chocolate pie that you have? You hearing me?
I didn't hear that. Sorry about that.
Is just a chocolate pie that you have?
Yes, miss.
Alright, so number one and an extra fries, please. Large fries.
So just a number on an extra large fries.
Yes. With the 4 nuggets.
Sweet and sour honey mustard or barbecue.
Honey mustard. How much is it for the 5-piece?
No, that's a 5-piece nuggets. It's $4.699.
So how much for the 6?
$420.
Alright, so give me the 6-piece and the extra fries. The large fries, please. That's a separate order. Separate bag, please, for that one.
$1,985.
Thank you. So I gave my order. I don't know, the thing not coming up out here. I see the breakfast menu. But I wasn't seeing the burger menu right here. need to fix it because you don't know what you want, you know, you come here, so you're going to be hesitant. Alright, so I hope our van gets through now, so I can drop this off. Right, I said that they were moving fast, but look at they start moving slow now. Car's not moving up again at all. Mercy. Why these fast food places make a lot of money, you know? Because they walk in there, drive through full, and you can bet quite a bit of persons are inside, even though it look empty, but quite a bit of people are inside. I don't buy these things a lot, you know, because they're not for healthy. But sometimes it's beyond your control. You just have to buy it once in a blue moon. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
I could have 2 number ones instead of the extra fries and the nuggets.
Sure, no problem.
Yeah, what's the cost of that? But the
Flavor
next
soda.
one I don't want. You can give me a water.
Sure, no problem.
What's the cost of those? Lord have mercy, but I need to go inside. God forgive me for pleading in here. But it looks like me better me go inside because from when we sit down here so we don't move. The gentleman here passing look like him lost something. It's not him money him lost. Selling wipes and clothespins and stuff. He's searching for something. No man. It's better I did go inside. So this time man here. Oh. I thought it's the car he left and went inside. Like him lost something, you know. This one person was holding up the line so long. Mama. See there? One person. I see the other person just get through as the other person drive off. So it was what? Oh boy. Next time I'm not going in no more drive through. I go inside. Because normally I don't come in drive through, you know. Just very rare. I see I can come in here this morning because the parking was tight out here. Let's see there. Better they go. Are they going? Maybe they come out already. And the drive-through line behind me. A lot of persons came in since I placed my order. Some buying breakfast and some buying burger. But I had my lunch, my breakfast this morning. I had some fried plantain, sweet like sugar, literally sugar. So I bought them green and I left them on my kitchen counter. And it took so long to ripen, you see. Anyhow, I left them on the kitchen counter and they finally ripe. And I tell you, they were so sweet. I fried 2 and I scrambled 2 eggs. So that was for me and my daughter. And we had that for our breakfast. And I wanted any bread. I come in there. Don't listen to me, no, like come through the place here because the turning to come round. Yes. So, never had any bread with it. And I had some sorrel tea, sorrel cinnamon clove tea. I dropped some cloves in there. Two pieces of cloves. These pieces they call it are seeds. I don't know. But whatever it is, it was 2 cloves that I dropped in there in the water. And some sorrel and some cinnamon leaf. And that was for my breakfast. Sometimes I don't like eating the bread. Sometimes it makes me puffy and gassy. So I try to keep away from it sometimes. My daughter, however, doesn't really like to eat bread with toasting. She will eat it with she will eat it with something there. Not today. Not today. Not today, dear. Not today. Alright, I get her on the curve. Hello.
So what about with cheese, right? 2,400 pounds. You can't have?
Yes. And one of them is with water. One of them is at room temperature water.
One of them with soda and one with water.
Yeah, room temperature. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Alright. Got my bill. Waiting for my order now for the next window. I don't know why it is 3 different sections now. Because you place the order one place, then you go back to pay at another section, and you still have to tell them the order again. I guess when you order it around here, it allows them to prepare it for you. So when you come around now, you just pay. They just repeat the order to you, and then you pay, and then you get it right here. But sometimes some persons might change their mind when they reach up to pay. So maybe that's why it takes up more time in the line, because I was wondering what the other person in that car was doing so long. It was at the window, so chances are, I'm just saying, maybe that's what was happening. Hello. So I'm collecting my order now. Hope I don't have to spend a long time because it's almost near lunchtime now. Okay, room temperature. Yes. Start getting the orders. You have any honey mustard sauce I could get too?
Honey mustard sauce.
Yeah. I have to pay for it?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. Thank you. So they're not giving nothing. Well, we got ketchup in it, but because I know that she likes honey mustard, I just do it. I go put some out here. So we'll go. One day I went to Tasties. I went to Tasties, you know, ordered my food. Ordered my food, I tell you now. When I reach home, it was a cooked food that I had ordered. When I reach home, it was only rice in the box, no meat. I remember I ordered, what was it, Barbie fried chicken. At another stoplight again. I ordered Barbie fried chicken and rice and peas. When I reached home, it was only the rice in the box, you know. No meat. And I think a little vegetable or pasta. Can you believe it? And I couldn't even go back down there because I was a little bit far. And I wasn't driving at the time. I said, mercy God. So it's always good to check the orders. But at that time I didn't even go through a drive-through. I went inside. I'd gone inside, you know. Oh, dear, sorry I didn't see you. So we're crossing the road here. Let's say, so therefore most time I check my order, so that's why it just dawned on me a while ago that wait, you didn't check your order. See, it was only fries in the bag. And that's all the burgers in the bag. But this is taxi man. You're not even a taxi man. I see, not only taxi men drive badly on this road, you know. You have regular motorists who drives as badly as the taxi drivers, I tell you. So this gentleman here beside me, 2 lanes he is driving in. Is a man? I am assuming, because most of his men drive these vehicles. Let me see, yes, it's a man in there. Two lane. He's driving in. So it goes, people. So, there's sometimes to go drop off our phone. You know, last week, even 2 o'clock last week, I gave my daughter lunch. And her friends brought fast food. So, Miss texts me and said, Mommy, Joy says that she doesn't have any lunch. So see, time I was still there, I had left where she was. So when I saw her coming around, I saw her without the lunch bag. So I said, where is your lunch bag? She frightened me, she didn't know that I was there. I said, where's the lunch bag? She don't want any lunch. She don't want it. And before I packed it in, I showed it to her. I said, this is what I'm going to pack for you so you can have it when it's time for you to snack. And because our friends brought burger and Popeyes, what is happening here? They brought burger and Popeyes, and some of them brought Krispy Kreme. Yes, my love. All of the different type of fast food, so that catch her eye, so she never want the little snacks that I gave her. So she told the teacher, that she doesn't have any lunch. So I just told Miss that she has lunch, and I just sent her back for it. And Miss said, oh, the children are playing ball, so going chance it to go around here, so I just park out here. Trying to reverse here. I like the spot that I was at in because I was under a tree. So I just sent her back up for a snack bag. So you have that snack that I packed for you this morning. Can you imagine? But that's how these children are. Anyhow, I'll catch up back with you guys later. Alright?